Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Lum Tec M90. This is a tour watch. I'm going to leave links to all the great channels below in the description. This watch came to me by way of Aaron Dunlop, and he received the watch from M90 Spec Watch Group. It's a great place to buy a watch for sure, and a great bunch of people over there. I'm going to leave a link to their webpage in the description below. Please be sure to check them out and read all about them. Really cool place. Yeah, so this watch is a beast. I absolutely dig this watch for sure. It's designed, assembled, hand assembled, and fully tested in Ohio. So that's pretty cool. Limited edition of 300 pieces worldwide. That makes it even more unique for sure. Hey, let's jump right into some specs. This does have a 44 millimeter case, 316L stainless steel, forged and heat treated. 15.2 millimeter thickness, including the domed sapphire crystal. 51 millimeters lug to lug, a 10 millimeter crown, and a 24 millimeter lug width. So yeah, this does have a curved sapphire crystal with military grade double anti-reflective AR coating in it on the crystal. Titanium carbide black PVD hard coated, which is really nice, and an anti-fingerprint coating on this case. So that's pretty cool. I've been handling it a lot, and you do not really see any fingerprints at all. It does have a monster screw down crown, really nice action to it, with a screw down case back, and you can see some specs around the outer edge there. And this one here is 37 out of 300 pieces. So that's pretty cool. Very neat. I like when they do limited editions worldwide for sure. This watch is running the Swiss Sellita SW200 automatic movement. So that's hand winding and hackable. Very nice. I like that. And it says in the specs that it has an anti-shock movement mount system. So that's pretty cool. You can pound on this watch and it's going to keep on ticking for sure. If you check out this dial, diamond cut handset with backfilled X1 208 LE Lum. So this Lum was luminescent technology was custom developed to give it that vintage patina color look. So very nice, that panerai feel to it. I just love that look. Looks really good to me for sure. It's on the hands and on the dial. And I'm going to throw a Lum shot up for you here. Check this out. Bam! I mean, that is crazy Lum. I absolutely love it. And it shines bright and brilliant for sure. I also wanted to tell you, before I forget, it does have a 120 click bezel. You can hear it clicking away, and really nice action for sure. Things line up well. If you see the dial here, we're going to get up and close and personal with this. It has the Lum Tec logo on the crown, and I'm going to loosen this crown up here to move that handset so you can see the dial a little bit better. Let's move this up here. All right. So, as you can see, it has a date window between the 4 and 5 o'clock position. Has Lum Tec right below the 12 o'clock position, and 600 meters water resistance, or 1,968 feet water resistance right above the 6 o'clock position. So this is a very nice metal bead blasted flat black dial. And you can see the sandwich dial on it. You guys all know what a sandwich dial is. You can see the cutouts at the 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position, and the 5-minute markers are also cut out. Beautiful sandwich dial look. Just so many great features to this watch for sure. Does have a wonderful rubber strap, and this watch comes with 2 straps. I believe it comes with a leather strap, which I haven't received. You can check it out on their website. And this rubber strap it came on has a Lum Tec on it. Both sides, very, very flexible, super, super comfortable to wear. Has that ventilation system underneath, so you're not going to get super hot and sweaty. Has a machine clasp with a Lum Tec logo on it. Just overall, really, really good looking. Hey, let's get this on my wrist for a wrist shot. All right, guys, there you have it on my 7-inch wrist. This watch is a beast. I absolutely love this watch. Very, very cool. Looks great. It's big, but it looks good on my wrist. Yeah, very, very nice. Comfortable strap also. Hey, I did want to point out that this has a limited lifetime warranty, 2 years, and it also has lifetime free time adjustment, free seal cleaning, and pressure testing. So that's a pretty good deal. These watches run about $985 on their website and on Mil-Spec Watch Group. So please be sure to check those guys out. Again, links below. Hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys are having a great day and stay well.